Hello, sir. How are you? I think you are well. I'm finding an alternative way for you. For inventory management or others, we can manage it easily. Suppose we can manage price, product inventory, and SQ, and everything we can manage easily. For manage, we can manage it from our Google Sheets, and this is very easy. Suppose our this product and this product inventory stock now 109. Suppose you want to change this stock. For changing, I control F and need to find out this, and this is our product. I want to change this product inventory, and here is our stock is 109. I think now it is 500. Suppose this stock is now 500. Now click Google and click and 500 and remove. OK, this is for synchronize. Just click here and sync data. Then when here show OK, yes, here show OK, and now we can reload this page and we show our inventory automatically increased. Yes, here is now 500, and we can easily maintain this. And suppose we want to increase price or reduce price, we can also do it from here. And suppose this product price is now 123.99. Suppose this price is 500, so we want to remove this. OK, click Google sync and sync data. When I do this, need a moment after that, and this is OK. So we can reload this page. Yes, that's the price is 50. We can we can do all management from here. I think this is very easy for us, and this is very easy to use. OK, if we want to add a new product, we can also add it from here easily. Suppose I will add a product. This is demi product. demi product this is demi product, and inventory will draw, and this inventory is suppose 99, and this is SKU number, and here is description, here is short description, here is product weight. Suppose this is 32. Then click regular price. I think this product price is 999. Suppose I think this product price is this, and if I want to upload a photo, so suppose I will collect a photo from others with Excel product. Suppose this is our photo link. We will paste this photo link, and it is category. This is category code, and category code is 33, and this is furniture category. For checking this, we will go to category list, and yes, this is 32, and this is our furniture category. Now now I already add all. Just click here, sync data. Just need a moment for updating. Waiting for update. Yes, this is successfully updating. Now reload this page. Yes, our demi product is already added here, and this is very easy process for manage our stock, our product price, product category, and everything. I think this is well for us. Here is show in stock. Suppose this stock is now, even when customer purchase one product, and this stock will 98 automatically remove one product from here, and also automatically remove stock from here. I think this is very easy for us. Suppose now, and this product stock is 8999, and suppose this is like 8999, just remove. OK, and click to sync data. 8999 is now product stock. OK, this is done, and here is now 99. Let's reload it. Yes, this is automatically updated. I think this is very very comfortable for us. Thank you so much. And we can import any CSV file here, edit edit, or everything we can do here. It was your file. I already filtering this product. I think this is very very comfortable for us. Thank you so much for watching this video.